tiens et tiens. Okay, so I assume that now you think that Vincent is too tired and maybe, you know, he should rest a little bit because he's got a strange title for this video, but no. I'm not tired at all. And it's true that I wanted to make this little video because I've been having some students who actually have been asking me this question regarding tiens et tiens. Okay, so basically when you get this form tiens, it's quite interesting because it can be connected to two things. And the first one is a verb, and it's tenir, okay? And tenir, it's to hold, okay? And basically when you see this form like that, tiens, without anything before, I mean by that un pronom personnel, it normally means that it's an imperative, okay? And in that case, it's for the person tu, okay? So this tiens form here is to hold at the imperative form, and it's for tu, you, okay? But it's also what we call une interjection. It's actually, well, these words that you will use to express feelings. So in that case, it can be for a surprise, or it can be to attract the attention. We use tiens as well, and then basically it could be translated with hey, look, well. So other possibilities, of course, okay, but it's une interjection. And it's quite interesting because this word actually can have these two connections, all right? So let's see now. Oops, the arrow is still there, so maybe I am tired. Okay, so we've got this tiens here, okay, and in the first example we will have, so it will be connected with tenir. Tiens mon sac, okay, so hold my bag. Tiens mon sac, all right, or then it could be tiens ma clé, all right. So in that case, you can see that you don't have tu because it's the imperative, and remember, we don't put le pronom personnel, we just put the form, okay. Tiens ma clé, hold my key. Tiens mon sac, hold my bag. And then the arrow is already there. Tiens, tu es là. Okay, so basically you want to express a surprise in that case because maybe you were not expecting that person here. So you say tiens, okay, tu es là, you're here. Or then it could be tiens, il pleut. Okay, so basically it's raining, il pleut, it is raining, and you're surprised, so tiens, il pleut. Okay, so keep in mind that tiens can be connected to two things. Okay, so the verb tenir, to hold, okay, and it's normally here. And here it's only l'impératif and for tu, or then it can be une interjection just to express a surprise, or if you want to attract the attention on of someone on something. Okay,